Hello, you all. Welcome back to Impactful Gems. How are you all doing today? Celebrating as always. Today I wanted to talk about the importance of dream building. Dream building. It is so important. So important. It'll change your whole mindset. And for those of you all who don't know what dream building is, it's going to the place that you want to go to. It changes your whole ooh, it changes your whole mindset. It changes your whole mindset. Go sit in the car. Go go to the restaurant that you want to go to. Go um go travel to whatever city you want to live in. Because once you get there, it's it's going to change your whole mindset. If you have kids, if you have kids and you want them to go to a private school, go there. Go there. Take them. Take them and let them sit in the parking lot. Once you once you once you start the dream build, your whole mindset will change. Once your mind is stretched, it can never go back to its original form. Ever. It just can't. Once you see it, you cannot see it. You cannot see it. So I just want to encourage you all to dream build. Hmm. And it's now I will say this. I will say this. It's gonna feel uncomfortable. It's gonna feel uncomfortable. It is. It is. I mean, because if you I'm just making up something. I'm not into cars, but if you want to drive a Ferrari and you're currently in a Honda, when you go to the dealership, they're gonna be looking at you like, wait a minute. They drove up in a Honda. So what? Dream build. Because it'll change your whole energy. And it goes into investing in yourselves. When you get into new environments, when you get into new environments, it's going to expand your mind. And it's gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Y'all know what I found out? What I realized is why people stay stuck because they don't dream build. They don't dream build. They don't. They don't dream build. It's like if you specifically, this is just an example, but if you want to eat at a certain restaurant and you can't afford it, go sit at the bar and say, could I have some grapes or whatever the cheapest, you know. But when you put yourself in the environment, you're gonna feel like, wow, this is really nice. And it'll push you, it'll help push you to your goals. So that's just what I wanted to talk about today. Dream build, dream build. Because it'll increase your mindset and it'll make you want to do more. It'll make you want to, when you dream build, it pushes fear out the way. It pushes fear out the way. Now, it may be a slow process depending on how you grew up or what environment you come from. But when you when you get locked in to dream building, oh yeah, you'll be like, I could call the president. I could call the president of a company. I could be like, let me speak to such and such. It'll push your confidence out. It'll push it out. So that's what I wanted to share today. Dream build. Go and get out into the so your comfort zone, that's your broke zone. That's your broke zone. And I'm not just talking about money. Your comfort zone, because we all like to be comfortable. But when you dream build, when you dream build, it pushes you out. It pushes you out. And then you get more confident. And when you get the confidence, where's my Morocco at? When you get the confidence, you ain't afraid of nothing. You get more confident. So I just encourage you all to dream build. Whatever your dream is. If you want to go to a certain restaurant, uh, uh I don't know, a resort. And now with the internet, you could dream build. You don't even have to leave your house. If you want, you can literally look stuff up. Okay, I want to go to France. Look it up. But I will say though, when you get into a mastermind with real people, it pushes you. It pushes you forward. So that's my gem for today. You all go out and dream build. Go to the dealership. If you want to buy a certain car, go sit in the car and you'll smell the leather. And you be like, wait a minute. Um, just do that. Just it helps a lot with your mindset. It really does. So that's my gem for today. Go out and dream build. Hmm. And it will help you push forward in your life. It'll help you get to the goals that you want to get to, whatever your goals are. Everybody has different goals. It will help your confidence. All right, y'all. So let's go dream build. Go to that neighborhood that you thought you could never live in. Go there and it will expand. And once your mind is expanded, it could never go back to its original form. All right, y'all. So go out and dream build today. That's what I want to encourage you to do. I don't care if you got to walk, just go dream build. All right, y'all. God bless. Get into the dream building, and your mind will never go back to its original form. All right. God bless y'all. Have a wonderful day. Subscribe, share, comment. Bye.